In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of your emails in a chain to newest on top in Gmail. If you've ever opened a long email thread and found yourself scrolling all the way down to find the latest reply, this quick setting will help. Gmail groups related emails into one conversation by default, and inside that thread, the newest replies sit at the bottom. To see the newest messages first without digging through the thread, we'll turn off Gmail's conversation view, so each reply appears as its own message, with the most recent ones right at the top of your inbox. Start in Gmail on your computer, look to the top right corner, and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. In the panel that opens, choose See All Settings to jump into the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Conversation View. Here, select Conversation View Off. This tells Gmail to stop grouping emails into a single chain and to list each message separately. Now head to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh for a moment. When your inbox reloads, you'll notice that those long threads have been split into individual emails. Because Gmail lists messages by date, the newest messages now rise to the top automatically, so the latest reply is the first one you see. A few notes to help you get comfortable with the change. Your messages aren't deleted or altered. They're simply unthreaded. Each message keeps its subject line, labels, stars, and attachments, and search continues to work the same way. When you open a message, you'll see just that one email. If there are other replies, they'll appear as separate messages above it in your inbox or search results. This is especially handy if you manage fast, moving conversations and want instant access to the newest update without scrolling. If your inbox suddenly shows more items than before, that's normal. Threaded conversations are now displayed as individual entries. You can keep things tidy by using labels, stars, or the search bar to jump to what you need. And if you ever decide you prefer threads again, you can always return to the same setting and adjust it. That's it, quick, clear, and effective. Enjoy seeing the newest emails first without the extra scrolling. Thanks for watching.